Good morning to all. I am S. Muhammad Junaid, studying first BTech first semester in Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology. Topic name: A presentation on two-dimensional arrays, declaration and installation. Introduction to two-dimensional arrays. Two-dimensional arrays are data structures that stores data in a grid-like format. They can be through of as array where each element is itself an array. This structure is commonly used in applications like image processing, matrix, and game boards. Basic concepts of two-dimensional arrays. A two-dimensional array consists of rows and columns creating a rectangular layout. The first dimensional represent rows, while the second dimensional presents columns. Each element in the array can be seeded using two indicates of for the rows and one for the column. Syntax for declaration. In most programming language, a two-dimensional array can be declared using specific syntax. For example, in C++, the syntax is data type, array name, row size, column size. This declaration informs the compiler about the dimension and the type of data and array will hold. Example of declaration. For instance, declaring an integer array with 3 rows and 4 columns look like this. Here R is the name of the array and it can hold a total of 12 integer number. The dimensions can be adjusted according to the requirement of the application. Installation of two-dimensional arrays. Two-dimensional arrays can be installed at the time of declaration using brass. An example of installation in it array is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This installs the first row with 1, 2, 3 and the second row with 4, 5, 6. Partial installation. A fewer value are provided than the size 1 of the array, the remains element are installing to 0. For example, int r2 is equal to 3 is equal to 1, 2 results in r begin 1, 2, 3 and r begin 2, 0, 0, 0. That feature can help in avoiding uninstalled memory used in certain synchronous accessing element in a two-dimensional array can be accessed using the syntax array name row in column index. For example, are accessing the third element of the first row. This is important to ensure that the indicates are within the bounds of the array to avoid runtime error. Iterating through two-dimensional arrays. Iteration through a two-dimensional arrays typically involve nested loops. The outer loop iterates through rows while the inner loop iterates through columns. This allows from systematic access and manipulation of each element in the arrays. Application of two-dimensional array. Two-dimensional arrays have numerous applications, including representing metrics in mathematics. They are also used in graphs programming to manage pixel data for images. Additionally, game development often utilize two-dimensional arrays to represent grid or maps. Conclusion. In conclusion, two-dimensional arrays are versatile structure for storing and manipulating data in a tabular form. Their declaring and initializing process are straightforward, facilitating efficient programming. Understanding how to efficiently use two-dimensional array is crucial for many programming tasks. Thank you.